I'm Jules, and welcome to In the Tank with Korky. Today, I will be your personal guide in showing you how to install the Korky Toilet Repair Kit. As always with Korky, the installation is easy, and this should take you less than 20 minutes to install.
The first step is to shut off your water supply to your toilet. Then, flush your toilet. Place a bucket or pail underneath the toilet tank. Next, sponge out the remaining water in the toilet tank. Disconnect the water supply line and unscrew the mounting nut. Pull up on the old valve and lift it out of the toilet tank. Locate and remove all old nuts, bolts, and washers from the toilet tank. Remove the old tank-to-bowl sponge gasket. Remove the old mounting nut and pull the old flapper and flush valve out of the toilet tank. Place your new Korky flush valve into the toilet tank and slide the chipboard washer over the threads. Then hand tighten the mounting nut. Place the new red sponge gasket over the mounting nut threads. Attach the tank to the bowl while applying downward pressure to keep the tank level. Using the new bolts, rubber washers and hex nuts included in the packaging, tighten the bolts in an alternating fashion to ensure a proper seal on the red sponge gasket. Make sure to not over-tighten the bolts. Doing so may cause the porcelain to crack. Set the height of the flush valve by loosening the locknut and extend the overflow tube until the top of the overflow tube is 1 inch below the flush lever nip. Then hand tighten the locknut. Attach the refill tube to the fill valve. Pull up to adjust the height. Press the valve down until the corner of the cover and the top of the flush valve line up. Lock the fill valve in place by simply twisting the upper half counterclockwise. As a double check, make sure the grooves line up with the pegs and hand tighten the mounting nut. Insert the metal clip onto the refill tube and attach it to the flush valve. Then, attach the flapper chain to the flush lever with minimal slack. Then reconnect the water supply line. Turn the water supply on and let the tank fill completely. If you need further assistance with the installation of the Korky Universal Toilet Repair Kit, please visit our website or contact us at 1-800-LAVEL.